Hello, it's Janique Leslie again. So I'm here to give you a recipe on pecan pesto. It takes 5 minutes to make. It's really easy. You can pair it with salad. You can pair it with pasta, ravioli. I use it for things like that. And it's really, really quick on a day when I really don't feel up to making a big meal. This is good and it's filling. This recipe is also going to be used on my pasta. I'm going to show you. I used it on my pasta meal right here. This is delicious. It's cauliflower, um, arugula, cauliflower ravioli that I got from a place called Trader Joe's. So if you go to Trader Joe's, you can pick it up. It's really, really, really good. It's good by itself, but the pesto just takes it to another level. So I just wanted to share this with you. 5 minutes. You can make this in 5 minutes. It's really, really quick. So try it out. Let me know how you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you like my video or want to see more things. Let me know what you want to see me make, and I'll make them. So talk to you soon. Bye.